what is going on YouTube? So, Ozzy, rest in peace. Got my little Black Sabbath as well. So, I ordered like some stuff before from the Ozzy site, and I saw the Spirit Board and I was like, oh, shall I get it? This is like a few weeks back during the Back to the Beginning concert. But it's like $90 or whatever it was, and I was like, oh, okay, I don't really need it because it wasn't like the best. Then they had a bat, but that was sold out. So yesterday I went on the site and all this was sold out, and then I saw the bat was sold out on Amazon and people were selling it for like some ridiculous money. Or was it the day before that? No, 2 days ago. So I managed to get one of the Spirit Boards, which is very cool because obviously I'm all about paranormal anyway. We have a Fantasma House paranormal channel as well, if you didn't know about that. And I wouldn't really say I'm an avid collector, but I mean, I've probably got like about 6 Ouija boards, Spirit Boards. So under the circumstances, and a big fan of Ozzy, I had to get this. The official Ozzy Osbourne Spirit Board, and it was actually $5 cheaper on Amazon. Let me get a thumbnail. So I'm gonna do a little box open. It's probably not gonna take long. So I'm gonna use this as a bit of a table to make it a bit higher for you. So, Prince of Darkness, Spirit Board, bat on that side, Spirit Board with Ozzy. I mean, it's a weird Ozzy logo, isn't it? Big old bat on the back, that on the front. I really should keep it mint in the box, but I'm not going to. So we'll have a look. How's it open? Hard to open. Doesn't want me to get in there. Guess I just need to kind of go for it. Okay. The planchette is very cool. Look at that planchette. That's amazing. And it's actually metal. How cool is that planchette? That's really cool. Really cool indeed. The board's pretty small. I mean, is it worth the money? Not really. But it had to be done, innit? It's not even like wood, it's like thick cardboard. But there's the board. Very cool. Hello, yes, Ozzy. So you got like the band and Prince of Darkness. Don't know what that Ozzy logo kind of bothers me. It's not that great, is it? But the planchette's like very cool. Let me see. Does it slide? And that's kind of pretty stiff. See, look, it moves the board. See, look. I mean, it's all decoration. It's all going to be, yeah, that's bizarre. Let me try it on the... It's cool, like the proper metal. Just like Sabbath, proper metal. Oh, went off. There's a closer look at the board. I mean, if you bought it, you'd be like, really? For that price? But because it's Ozzy, you think, yeah, that's amazing. But, yeah. Not really much else to show you, is there? Okay, guys, I will see you later. And that was the Ozzy Osbourne spirit board. Rest in peace, Ozzy, mate. I still can't believe it. It's crazy. I still cannot believe it. I mean, it's nuts. I'll see you on the next one.